I'm so happy. Switch the stuff inside because it kind of doesn't look aesthetic. I'm not sure. Okay, so you know how earlier I mentioned that I didn't really like how the Muji acrylic organizer looked? So I actually cut 3 different patterns, but I ended up liking this one the most, and I'll be putting this on the floor of it so that it will still match my color scheme despite it having different colors. Way bigger than I expected actually. I expected it to be smaller. So I kind of cut it a little. Oh my gosh, literally adorable. So pretty if I add bows on it. So hi, I was meant to film this portion of the video a few days ago, then I got a peanut allergy, so I was like, maybe in a few days. It's been a week. So this is my first video. I never got to introduce myself. So hi again, I am Misha. M-I-S-H-A. It's a boy's name, but I'm a girl. I don't have a nickname at the moment. It's just really Misha. So now that we're finished with all of the items on the desk, nothing's gonna arrive anymore, I swear. It's time for the actual desk decoration. So this is my mood board. As you can see, there's a lot of blues and yellows, lace and gingham as well. So here's my plan. Number 1, finish adding stuff on my desk. 2, add wall prints or decorate my pegboard. And lastly is finishing touches. So I hope you will enjoy that. think I know exactly what to work on today. I'm kind of concerned. I forgot that if I keep shoving in my trash in a cabinet, the cabinet is the one that'll be full of trash. Yeah, I'm gonna be organizing my cabinet a little more. Imagine having to deal with this much stuff, like every single day. Yeah, that's exactly what my cabinet felt. Unfunny jokes aside, I want to store my scraps like these ones that I could potentially use in journaling inside this box, so I won't have a hard time finding for them. She's literally my whole desk aesthetic, and she's my whole mood board. Like, oh my gosh, she is beautiful, she is lovely. And he's just can't. Just kidding, he's actually so cute. Oh, shoot, it fell. Now that we have everything open, let's set up the Flora siblings on this little mat that I bought.
putting a port right there over the box desk.
First, let's open this. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. So now we have two. It's kind of crooked. Got a little trinket dish. It's so adorable. It's like a little flower. Oh my gosh! She did not! I got her die-cut sticker, what the freak! And the iconic freebie sticker. So I got these two. I always use these. These are like a journal staple to me. So cute. So cute. These butterflies. It's so cute. So I will be transferring all of these pens inside here. So these are my most commonly used pens. I put some stuff. Oh, okay, there. I wanted to print this photo because I loved it so much, so... Nice. So I'm going to print the next one. I love this sunset so much, so yeah. What's inside the package? Another package. Okay. Let's see who we pulled. It's a baby! Cute. Ambrose, Ambrose, Ambrose. Wait. Gosh, Lennon's right there. It's 11 p.m. but I feel like doing some decoration. It's almost 12. Oh my gosh. I got a spare magnet, glue tag on it. Put it here. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. So my extremely expensive tin can box finally arrived. Oh my gosh. Anyways, because I never bought a motivation to. Oh my gosh. That is humongous. My very expensive tin can box. The condition is so perfect right now. No dents, no nothing. It's literally like so clean. Let's remove everything. Ah! Please fit. I brought more bows. So cute. Gonna repurpose it to make it a calendar because I'm creative like that. Yay, and resourceful. Yay, because I don't have anything to put there. Yay! So these are the type of calendars that I want to make. However, they will not be vertical, but they will be horizontal. the other one. Every time I see it, I literally start drinking water. I don't know why. So this is how it turned out. Here's the calendar. I absolutely love it. So adorable. Cute. So guess what? That was the last step that we had to do for the desk. Before I show you the final results, I want to thank you so much for joining me throughout this heck of a journey. Pretty much 3 months of filming and editing. It's been so long that I don't even have the same haircut from the beginning of the video. Like, I got bangs. I did not record that, unfortunately. I wish I did. So if you enjoyed the video, or perhaps my chaotic calm personality, I would really appreciate it so much if you subscribe and like the video. I really hope that we can meet each other again one day. Without further ado, here's the montage.